everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning Chinese through popular Chinese nursery rhyme or children's song 两只老虎. This was suggested by one of the commenters, and I decided to make an exception and break down this song. Later on, 10 likes will be needed in order for me to break down the song. 两只老虎，两只老虎，跑得快，跑得快。一只没有耳朵，一只没有尾巴，真奇怪，真奇怪。两只老虎，两只老虎，跑得快，跑得快。一只没有耳朵，一只没有尾巴，真奇怪，真奇怪。两 is 2. 老虎 is tiger. In Chinese, there's a term called Liang. For every noun, there's a word that is used to describe the quantity of the noun. So in this case, for tiger, 只 is being used. For Chinese, there's no plural form for the noun, so we will have to find out based on the quantity. So for this case, there are 2 tigers. 两只老虎, again 2 tigers. 跑 is run. 快 is fast. 的 is used after the verb. The word that is after the 的 describes the verb. How is the tiger running? He's running very fast. So 跑得快 is running very fast. E is 1. 没有 is do not have. Or in this case, does not have. 有 is have. 耳朵 is ears. Ear or ears. E is 1. 没有 is does not have. 尾巴 is tail. 真 is really also. 奇怪 is strange or weird. 真奇怪 is really strange. So 真奇怪 again is really strange. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint.